I'm keeping you close.
What a wonderful day. 2 days before Christmas, andito kayo, kumaharap sa altar, at maya-maya pala ang magiging mag-asawa na.
No doubts.
It's been 7 years, 11 months, and 11 days na mag-usap tayo. Pagkatapos mo ako i-accept ang friend request ka sa Facebook.
You talk, you listen with each other, at unti-unting nahulog ang inyong loob. Nakakilala kayo hanggang sa kayo'y na-in-love sa isa't isa.
My love, today I stand before you, not just as your bride, but as the woman who has waited 6 years for this moment. I know.
Hey, it's not like any other kind of day. I know 'cause everything's going our way today, and we're here to celebrate, yeah. And I've been dreaming of a day like this. I got my camera, gonna capture all of it. 'Cause when we're old, I wanna look back.
Minsan lang ako maging pogi kaysa sa inyo eh. Sulitin ko na.
This is the life. This is the life. I'm loving this energy like it was meant to be. This is the life. Like sun on my skin, I'm taking it in. 'Cause this is the life. This is the life. Cause this is the life. I'm loving this energy like it was meant to be. This is the life. Like sun on my skin, I'm taking it in. 'Cause this is the life.
Kinakabahan, excited, kinakabahan.
Baby, salamat sa pagtsatsaga sa akin. Salamat sa pag-unawa sa mga pagkukulang ko. Sa maraming oras na wala ako. Malayo ako. Salamat kasi hanggang ngayon pinipili mo pa din ako.
Ang daming vid calls na nakalipas at eto na tayo, kasal na tayo. And every moment I wished you were by my side.
Tin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Just na iyong pakamamahal at pag-ilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. Six years of distance, of longing, of faith in the love that we have. 6 years na LDR ay hindi biro.
Salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal sa bawat araw, oras, at segundo ng ating pagsasama.
Kaya pala, ang mag-asawa, pag nagmamahal, kayang gawin ang lahat in the name of love.
I vow to love you through every challenge and celebrate with you in every triumph. I promise to cherish the man that you are. The man I fell in love with from afar.
are the most beautiful thing that has ever happened in my life. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
Hindi ko to na-miss.
Hindi din po.
Hindi naman to nagpapadala eh.
Missin mo, ha? Okay?
pouring rain, strong enough to carry the weight. As the years go and the winds blow, I know, I'll keep falling in love with you.
Jazz, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib? Si Tina ay iyong pakamamalit pagilingkuran habang buhay.
Opo, Father.
You and I were just blind. I'll keep falling in love.
No matter what distance life may put between us again, I will wait for you, katulad ng paghihintay ko sa'yo always.
Pag nalulungkot ka, sabihin mo sa iyong asawa. Kapag nasasaktan ka, kapag namomroblema, tell your husband, tell your wife. Kasi mag-asawa na kayo.
Forever, for always, till the end of time, I'll keep falling in love with you. Over and over is true. You and I were just blind.
Ikaw ang aking tahanan, ang aking panghabang buhay na mahal.
Yung mahal mo, kahit hindi mo ma-explain, basta't mahal kita. A love without condition. A love without asking anything in return.